This is how I organize my cleaning tools. I have my vacuum attachments back there in a long, narrow Dollar Tree drawer organizer next to my squeeze mop head refills behind my extra microfiber mop head. I have some detail cleaning brushes on hooks from Amazon here. In these Dollar Tree drawer organizers, I store steel wool, magic erasers, and walnut scrubbers here, furniture markers, funnels for my homemade cleaning product spray bottles, and some extra cleaning cloths here. I store my larger cleaning tools here on my favorite hooks from Amazon. That's my microfiber mop on the left and squeeze mop next to it, along with my mini broom and dustpan, squeegee, and iron handle brush. And I store my detail cleaning brushes on hooks from Amazon here. That's my shark vacuum below. In my next video, I will share how I organize and store my homemade cleaning products and their ingredients, followed by a full updated cleaning closet tour.